How to add a custom domain in AWS Amplify. So your app is live on a random amplifyapp.com URL, and it's time to get professional. AWS Amplify has made domain connection this year almost entirely hands-off, especially if you're already in the AWS ecosystem. So to access the domain management, which is the first step, log into your AWS Management Console and click Search for Amplify. Select the app you wish to brand. In the left-hand sidebar, you just head down to Hosting and click on Custom Domains. This is your command center for routing. Click that big orange Add Domain button to start the wizard. Then type in your root domain, like yourstartup.com. If you bought your domain through Route 53, Amplify will detect it immediately and offer to handle the DNS records for you. If you're using a third-party registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap, just type it in and hit Configure Domain. You'll see a list of subdomains. By default, Amplify sends up both the roots and the 3Ws section. And now tell Amplify which branch to show. Usually you'll point your root domain to your main or prod branch. This is also where you can set a subdomain staging, for example, pointing a session address to your develop branch. This allows you to test new features on a live URL before they hit your main sites. And then just click Save. Then the waiting game. AWS will automatically provision the SSL certificate via ACM. You'll need the status move from pending verification to available. And this is how you put a professional face on your project. If this guide helped you out, click subscribe and then click on notification bell as well, and see you soon.